Hey guys, I'm Jasmine and today I am going to show you how easy it is to do keyword research as a beginner. So for this video, I'm going to use a free software. Keyword Finder is a tool from Mangools and you can get a free trial without any credit card. So let me take you inside the tool. So here you have to type the main keyword around the topic which your blog or website is built upon. Let's say we want to start a keto diet blog. Then you will have to select the location on which the target audience is. One good thing about this tool is only give you the option to target the countries here instead of country specific keyword research, which is a good option if you want only selected cities with your blog or website. Or if you are into local SEO, this option is a gold mine for keywords. So for this example, I'm going to type keto diet, then select USA for geography and then select English as a language. So for this example, I am going to type keto diet. As you can see, this keyword has a lot of search volume because it has the keyword difficulty of 84, which means it will not be easy to rank your blog for this as a new blog. However, if I slightly change this keyword to keto diet results, you can now see the KD is lot less now and you can now rank for this keyword like keto diet results 8 weeks. If you are into local SEO, you can search for your main niche like dentist and then select a city. Let's put dentist and put Chicago in location.
This keyword whooping 17,800 searches with the keyword difficulty of 22.
Again, you can change the niche and city and it will show you accurate results according to the city. So let's search for plumber in Austin. Again, you will get a data of main keyword on the top and supporting keywords below. And you can also target other supporting keywords on your website by writing articles around them and get more traffic. So in my opinion, this is the best keyword research tool for beginners. If you want to try it out for free, check the link in the description.